Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Vero Synapse Generation 2 here with me for a quick maintenance video. I mean, there's no need to maintain this guy. It's pretty flawless acting, but let's check it out. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content right over here. So let's get started, guys. We're gonna need T8 Torx bit screws to take this guy down. So let's just start tackling. Let's do this side first. Very nice. That is out. And that's the second screw, which is out. Very nice. And then you've got these two going directly in the, so these, let's keep them here, in the outer liner. This is for the clip as well. So let's keep it on the back. And pretty much we are done. So let's just do this one here, and that's here. So let's just keep these guys in their positions so we know where they go. This is going there, and here you've got the screw from the back, which is here. So and we are pretty much done. Just the screw for the pivot, which can go here. And here you have it, your Vero Synapse opened up. Plastic caged bearings. I was expecting something nicer, to be honest, but it's fine. Ceramic ball bearings. And just clean it up nicely. Take something plastic and just pop that out. So looks like some grease kind of thing, not really oil, but might be wrong. There's stainless steel washers. That's also always nice to see. So that is done. Also here, we can just clean it nicely. Beautiful. Nicely done backspacer as well. Keyed in. Beautiful. And yeah, I mean, nothing too crazy going on. You've got your detent ball ramp. Like a pressed fit, I guess, stop pin right here. And let's put this back together. All right, so we're gonna do 10 weight nano oil for the bearings over here, and that's gonna be 1, and like that. And then let's do also this for this other bearing here. And then we're gonna do just that's very nice detail. You're gonna do just a little bit on the detent ball right there. And then this guy can go in. Basically, we are back in business like so. Okay. The pivot is keyed in on the other side. So you know what we're gonna do? Let's just flip it over. Like so. Backspacer is in, this is in, and this guy can go on top of that and go kind of like here and here. Let's just pinch it from the back, and this guy has to go all the way down from this side. So let's just go backwards, exactly like so. like that. Now it's in, like that, it's in, and like that, and that's in. Perfect. So since this is the back, all right, we're gonna need one screw to go here, and that is gonna hold everything in place very nicely. And then I think we can just place this scale back, and you know, we're gonna do this now, and we're gonna tune it in a second, just coating the thread of the pin with some blue Loctite, so this guy can be in. We're gonna tune it in a second, make sure this is flush. Very good. Just flip it around. So I think this guy goes here, yeah. Like so. Very good. And that's the one that goes all the way down here, correct? No. Oh, that's for the clip. So one is longer. There you go. So this goes here, like so. And therefore this goes here. And this one has to catch the clip, like so. So it's just gonna keep it in place. So make sure it's in the right position. Don't over tighten this one. There's no need. It just has to be tight. And these two screws are back in. So this is gonna also catch onto the clip. Nice design. It's pretty clever actually. And this is there. So okay, very good. Let's just tighten the pivot. Blade is nicely, oh guys, it was pretty cool, but let me tell you, yeah, there's some areas there maybe need a little bit more, but I'm telling you guys, this is how it's supposed to run. You see, it's gliding, close, smoother, and much more pleasant. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.